Hello guys, it's me Emma, and welcome to my channel Wealth Canify. Have you ever wanted to learn how to make money, spend wise, or just get a grip of your finances here in Canada? On this channel, I'll show you everything about Canadian tax, saving, and investing in a way that's easy to understand. The tax-free savings account is often misunderstood. It's not just for saving, it's your primary tool for investing. Saving is spending less than you make. Investing is what you choose to do with those excess funds to build wealth. It boils down to your time horizon. Short-term needs are for savings, but long-term wealth needs the power of the market. Inflation erodes your buying power over time. To stay ahead, you must invest in assets that outpace the rising cost of living. Don't just save, invest in your future. Subscribe to Wealth Canify and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for more money tips.